What if the person accused of murder is actually the one being hunted? What if the real killers were badges, and the evidence was planted to protect their own? This isn't just a murder case. It's a test of the justice system itself. Before you take sides, hear the facts. Did Karen Reed kill her police officer boyfriend? Or is she the victim of a massive cover-up? A woman, an off-duty cop, a suspicious death, and now a murder trial that has captured the attention of the entire country. Welcome to Lawless Minds, where we break down the law behind the headlines. In January 2022, Boston police officer John O'Keefe was found dead in the snow outside a colleague's house. According to Karen Reed, his girlfriend, she dropped him off the night before, then went home. By morning, he was dead. The official version? Prosecutors claim Karen, under the influence of alcohol, struck O'Keefe with her SUV and left the scene. She's been charged with second-degree murder, manslaughter while operating under the influence, and leaving the scene of a fatal accident. But the defense has raised serious doubts. Second-degree murder in Massachusetts is no small charge. It means the state must prove that she acted with malice, that she consciously disregarded a known danger to human life. If convicted, she faces life in prison with the possibility of parole after 15 years. The prosecution's case relies heavily on circumstantial evidence, a broken taillight, text messages, and a questionable forensic timeline. But the defense argues this isn't just weak, it's corrupt. Why? Because O'Keefe was found outside a house owned by another Boston officer. Inside that house were multiple law enforcement personnel. The defense claims John was killed inside, not by a hit and run, but by an act of violence. And they say a select group of officers manipulated the crime scene, hid evidence, and shifted blame to Karen Reed. What's more troubling is how certain pieces of evidence were found. A taillight fragment allegedly from Karen's SUV was only located days later by officers tied to the same department. So here's the legal dilemma. Is the jury being presented with the full truth, or just a version tailored to protect those in power? Let's not forget the foundational principle of criminal law. The burden of proof lies with the state. If the jury has even reasonable doubt, they must acquit. But in this case, the courtroom feels more like a battlefield. Outside the courthouse, crowds gather, many dressed in pink, holding signs that say justice for Karen. They believe she's being framed. Supporters say this case is no longer about one woman or one death. It's about the credibility of the justice system itself. Closing arguments have now ended. The jury is deliberating. A verdict could come any day. Whatever the outcome, one thing is certain. This trial will shape public trust in law enforcement and the criminal courts for years to come. This is Lawless Minds, where legal logic meets real-life chaos. If justice matters to you, subscribe. We'll be watching what happens next.